guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Antalian and I am your franchise consultant for today. So, today, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo aking magandang background. Snow, I love snow. And yes, nasa abroad po ako. And yes, I'm a Toktok operator, a showmaking franchisee, a team leader, and a coach. So, ayan, di ba? So, I just want to prove to you that if you're watching this, kung may work ka, busy ka sa work, may bago kang baby, nasa abroad ka, OFW ka, nasa probinsya ka, anytime, anywhere, you can do the business. So like me, I'm here now in the US and I am doing the business, everything remotely online. So, hindi ko to patagalin dahil malamig. Okay? So, right now, my video will be updates. Okay? Kasi medyo matagal na po ako. Matagal ako, 2 weeks ago na ako nakapag last video, no? And abangan nyo sa video ko, marami po akong bagong ipopost, no? And for my team, if you're watching this, so, guys, sa team natin, marami po akong ginawang bagong videos na training. So, abangan ninyo, launching na yan this week. So, actually, uploading na yung ibang videos kasi gusto kong matuto kayo. So, kung kayo, hindi pa kayo part ng team ko, you're very welcome to join my team. So, anyway, okay, let's get it started. Ang lamig! Okay? So, first of all, anong pinakamagandang update? Okay? First and biggest and most excited ako na update is that Toktok is now available in Luzon. Ibig sabihin, mula La Union, Pangasinan, hanggang Bicol, pwede na po mag-Toktok. Okay? So kung may mga kamag-anak kayo doon, nasa probinsya sila, may mga kamag-anak ka sa probinsya doon, ito na yung best time mo para gawin mo silang rider, operator, or pa-downloadin nyo ng Toktok. Diba? So guys, I'm really excited kasi imagine in just 2 months, 2 months, started in Metro Manila and now, diba? Buong Luzon, we could now service Toktok. And guys, yes, hindi pa perfect si Toktok, but this is another good news. Okay? Wala na po mga auto-clicker. Kasi nung bago po si Toktok, nagkakaroon ng issue na, may auto-clicker. Diba? Nag-uunahan daw sa booking. So ngayon, the system or JC Premier and Toktok heard us. Okay? So, heard us and now they have updated the app na kung saan ang mga rider ay kailangan po maglagay ng PIN. No? Kailangan maglagay ng PIN just to accept the bookings. Okay? And, okay, so, I have a special guest oncoming. So, anyway, so, yun. So, unang update, we are now available in Luzon. Number 2, okay, na-update na po ang app, wala ng auto-clicker. And then, ito pa. So, dahil, to give chance to others, dahil nga dumadami ang mga bookings ng Toktok, no, tsaka dumadami po ang riders natin. So, dati, 8 bookings po ang pwede na kunin isang rider. Ngayon, 2 muna para to share to others, diba? Mas maganda yon. So yeah, that's my husband walking there. So yeah, so that's one of the things I'm very excited. And then, guys, na-excite ako kasi lumabas sa Toktok operator portal yung Toktok Food. So I fingers crossed, hopefully, okay, boss, if nanonood kayo, CEO natin, tsaka Vice President, I'm really looking forward this year na sana ma-launch na yung Toktok Food kasi more income opportunity sa atin yan. And then, lastly, I hope ma-avail nyo pa ng promo, no? So, right now, 1,000 na lang yung freebies pala, no, guys? Ang dami nagtatanong kung 3,000 pa yung freebies, hindi na po, 1,000 na lang, okay? So, that's it, guys. So basically, tawag dito, yun, na-excite ako kasi after Luzon, sure na yung Visayas at saka Mindanao. So if you're from Visayas and Mindanao, don't forget to message me and I will update you.
Can you tell about the free egg program?
Yeah, we have eggs here. Yeah, so we have chickens over there, guys. There. Yeah, so medyo personal na to na, no? Then it's my husband.
Hello.
Yeah, so guys, please stay tuned. Go back. He's... Okay, so
She's a little short.
Yeah, so guys, please wait for my YouTube channel. No, so we will share more about Bitcoin. I will make another video that we will plug Bitcoin. So if you want to attend the free class, sobrang cheap lang nung class niya in Udemy. So if you want more ways of earning aside from the franchise, I will tell you more about Bitcoin. So go back.
Okay.
So, ayun guys, so ano pa ba mga updates na naisip ko? So Toktok, sa Siomai, ito pala. So ang showmaking natin ngayon, yung shop link natin, iisa na lang po. Okay, so ibig sabihin hindi na po kailangan ng iba't ibang shop link pa kay Boy Bonda, kay Mang Box Mano, hindi na po all in one na. So ibig sabihin, mas madali na po para sa mga customers natin umorder kasi isang shop link na lang para sa lahat. Okay? So guys, I hope maabutan niyo po yung promo. That's just it. Quick update. I just want to share to you the good news na Luzon, next time, this month then actually, estimated na yung Cebu at saka Davao. So, guys, don't miss this opportunity. I hope maging part po kayo ng Toktok. Toktok is growing fast, no? It's not perfect right now. Sabi ko nga sa team ko lagi, it's a long-term business. Diba? So if you want to have a long-term business, if you want to be part of my team, just contact me. This is my number below. Ito po yung Facebook page ko. Willing po kong tulungan kayo. And in my team, i-plug ko na rin, no? We have a complete set of training. So, hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng bangko, but I really support my team. So, if you're looking for a team, please just message me here, Viber, WhatsApp, and my Facebook page. So, if you have questions, please watch my franchise orientation video. And again, so stay tuned. So, kahit hindi ko kayo ka-team if ever, may mga, kasi iba kong videos private, no? Iba kong mga importanteng videos sa ka-private, but I will launch public videos. So, please stand by, and I hope these videos will help you in the business. Mapabago ka man ng newbie, hindi tayo magka-team. I just want to share more information. Alright, so guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Bye!